PRT is the first-to-market choice for engine and transmission mounts for one of the best-selling SUVs, the Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. This video covers the installation of the upper motor and transmission mounts. The PRT part number 6111786 and 6111799 for the Hyundai Santa Fe fits the upper motor and transmission mounts. PRT mounts match the original mounts for fit, form, and function. The mounts use advanced elastomeric materials to reduce noise and vibration. Also, the materials are formulated to withstand the extreme conditions under the hood and under the vehicle. For the upper engine mount, remove the engine cover. Support the engine by placing a jack with a rubber pad on the oil pan. You will have to remove the under tray. Disconnect the grounding strap on the engine front cover. Remove the engine support bracket that connects the engine to the mount. Unfasten the 3 bolts that hold the mount to the body and remove the old mount. Install the new mount. The bolts for the 3 mounts should be torqued to 60 foot-pounds. Install the support bracket and tighten the bolts to 79 foot-pounds. Install the ground strap and install the engine cover. For the transmission mount, support the transmission with a jack and rubber pad. Remove the air intake duct. Loosen the bracket that holds the battery. Slide the battery forward to access the bolts that hold the air filter housing in place. Loosen the clamp for the air intake hose and remove the housing. Next, remove the bolts that hold in the ECM. You do not have to disconnect the ECM, just pull it to the side. Inside the driver's side front wheel well, there is a service cover to access the transaxle mounting bolts. Remove both bolts. Remove the 4 bolts that hold the bracket that secures the transaxle to the mount. Unfasten the 3 bolts that secure the mount to the body and remove the bolts. Remove the mount. Install the new mount. The 3 bolts that attach to the body should be torqued to 60 foot-pounds. Reinstall the bracket and tighten the bolts to 58 foot-pounds. In the wheel well, reinstall the bolts that connect the mount to the transmission. Torque the bolts to 95 foot-pounds. Install the ECM. Install the air filter housing and tighten the bolts and clamp. Slide the battery back into position and tighten the bracket. PRT, or Performance Ride Technology, shares its heritage with one of the largest manufacturers of shocks, struts, and complete strut assemblies in the world. PRT products are produced and tested under the strictest OE quality processes required by leading automakers in 5 modern and fully automated plants using the latest technology available. With more than 30 years of expertise in ride control and suspension product manufacturing, conducting business in more than 135 countries worldwide, with a strong presence in OE and OES developments, PRT is a leading presence in a global aftermarket business. Quality, complete coverage, advanced features, and built-in profit potential for customers are synonymous with PRT. Performance Ride Technology is in our DNA.